Hey guys, this is Mark from WTI. You ever wonder what would be the perfect brush to clean the interior of your vehicle?
Well, here it is. This car detailing brush is made of high quality synthetic bristles, so it's scratch free, which makes it the safest detail brush for your vehicle. Even after vacuuming, you want to disinfect the area with a little bit of all-purpose spray, and then you get the brush all in there, get those cracks and crevices. What I love about these brushes is that they're built with a solid, robust handle, which makes it easy to grip and move. This brush is long enough to keep your hand in a natural position, which prevents fatigue as it helps you clean your car fast and easy. You can use this to clean your car's dashboard, wheels, floor mats, seats, carpets, as well as other leather, plastic, and vinyl surfaces.
With that said, these are the only brushes I use when it comes to cleaning the inside of my car, but that's just my point of view.